Imagine a world beneath our feet, another world, one vast and teeming with secrets, hidden deep below the surface we know and tread so confidently. Could it exist? Is the earth hollow? And if so, what lies inside? A paradise? An ancient civilization? Or something entirely beyond human imagination? These are questions that have sparked centuries of fascination, questions that blur the line between science fiction and reality. But first, let's travel back in time. It's the late 17th century. The renowned astronomer Edmund Halley, the man for whom Halley's Comet is named, has a theory. Halley, studying variations in Earth's magnetic field, proposes that our planet is not solid, but a series of concentric shells, each nestled within the other. These hollow layers, he suggests, could host life. Halley's theory is just one of many. Over the years, others have added to the myth. In the 19th century, John Cleves Symmes Jr., an American author and fervent believer in hollow Earth, argued that Earth contained vast interior spaces accessible via openings at the poles, huge circular entrances leading to an underground realm. But it doesn't stop there. Fiction took this idea and ran with it, crafting worlds beyond the wildest dreams of science. Jules Verne's novel, Journey to the Center of the Earth, painted vivid pictures of subterranean landscapes, seas, and prehistoric creatures hidden beneath the crust of our world. Even Adolf Hitler flirted with the idea. During World War II, some of Hitler's followers believed in the hollow Earth theory and schemed to use it as a tactical advantage, claiming the Earth's interior could house advanced civilizations or routes for global conquest. Of course, tales of hollow Earth don't exclusively belong to modern theorists or writers. Ancient cultures are rife with stories of underground worlds. Native American legends speak of inner Earth realms inhabited by advanced beings, while Tibetan Buddhist traditions tell of a hidden kingdom called Shambhala, nestled deep within the Earth. But now, let's fast forward to the 20th century and take a peek into aerial exploration, specifically the story of Admiral Richard E. Byrd. In the 1940s and 1950s, Byrd, a famed polar explorer, led expeditions to the North and South Poles. According to some controversial accounts, Byrd is claimed to have witnessed something impossible: vast, verdant lands beyond the ice. In diaries attributed to him, Byrd allegedly speaks of flying over rolling green fields and seeing advanced alien-like civilizations. He describes encounters with beings who warned humanity about its destructive ways. But let's reel this back to science. Geological studies show that Earth's interior is largely composed of a solid and molten core, surrounded by thick layers of rock called the mantle and crust. This scientific understanding is supported by decades of data collected from earthquakes, volcanic activity, and other natural phenomena. Furthermore, the idea of Symmes holes at the poles conflicts with aerial photography and satellite imagery. No massive openings have ever been found. So, does this mean we can dismiss hollow Earth entirely? Well, maybe not. Science continually evolves. For instance, enormous underground ecosystems have been discovered. Could these discoveries suggest something deeper? And then there's another layer to consider. Why does the hollow Earth myth persist? After centuries of scientific progress, why does this idea still linger? Perhaps it's psychological. Humans have always dreamed of unknown realms. Or perhaps it's something deeper, something we can't explain. Could it be possible that the legends of our ancestors, the theories of scientists, and the stories of adventurers all have a kernel of truth? Maybe not literally, but as a metaphor, a reminder that the closer we look at the world we inhabit, the stranger and more wondrous it becomes. In the end, whether you believe in Hollow Earth or dismiss it as pure myth, the concept speaks to a universal truth. Humanity is drawn to mystery like moths to flame. So, as we tread upon the surface of the only world we've ever known, we can ask ourselves, what lies beneath?